everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Snowmoon, and we are going to do an unboxing. I have my Ipsy box for this month. It is Ipsy Plus, which is $25 a month, and you get 5 full-sized items and a bag. So, without further ado, let's open up and see what Ipsy gives us this month. Now, with this, it always has this little, like, styrofoam thing. So we are going to set it right down here. This says, make waves. So I guess this is the new item, like the new theme for the month is make waves. The first item, no, they don't send me like a description anymore. Let's pull out the bag. The bag looks like this month. It's like really kind of cute. It's like laying on the beach. It's like super yellowy inside. The little thingy's yellow. It says Ipsy right there. So yeah, that's nice. I don't think everything's gonna fit in the bag from the box this time, but that's okay. And I'm kind of confused by some of it. So, the first item that I have is by Ojo's Perfect Liquid Liner. And it looks like it says coffee is the color, which is going to give me a different color other than the black, which is kind of nice. It's kind of like a brown espresso kind of look, which I'm okay with that. Oh, it's by Arcel. You'd think this is my first video, right? I'm getting better. I swear it. The next item that we'll go over is by Nasophic, I think. And it says it's fresh herb origin eye cream. It says after cleansing and toning, gently tap a pea-sized amount of the formula on the eye area morning and night. Oh, it's actually got like a sticker. It's my first box, so it would seem. I swear, today has been like non-stop. So, everybody wants to play Pokemon Go lately, and I never could play Pokemon Go. My phone couldn't handle it. So I just recently got a phone that could handle Pokemon Go. So we've been going and getting a Pokemon experience on, and finally got my Snorlax, so I'm happy. So it's got a small little tippy thing. I genuinely use eye creams often, so we're going to go ahead and open it because I want to smell it. See what it smells like. It actually doesn't have a smell. Ooh, it is kind of stringy though. We'll just rub this on. Why waste it? Eye creams are generally kind of not cheap anyway, so we'll just rub it on. It'll be okay. Everything's all okay. So that'll be neat. Next item is by Flesh. It says that it is a highlighting powder, flesh to flesh. Okay. Let's check it out. It does say on here jump, so I don't know if that means that that's the color or variation. I don't know. Let's find out. Yeah, on the back it does say jump. So I like this packaging actually. And it looks like it's just like a little beigey sand. Oh, there you go. You get to see my whole laptop setup right there. So that's the highlighter. It does shimmer nicely. It does like meld in very well. I can get behind that. Like it blends in very well. I'll take it. So, that's kind of nice. The next item is by Ciate London. It says Marble Metals. It actually is an eyeshadow, which I have never had. I've never had by them. A metallic glitter eyeshadow. In the color, it says Wicked on the bottom. It's like a purplish gray tint. I do like the packaging. It looks like it's just pressed in there and it's just like a glitter. Go ahead and swatch it real quick on the back of my hand. I don't have any brushes to put anything on, so we'll just swatch it. It's really kind of a pretty color. And it transfers really well. Like once you swatch it, there was nothing on the other fingers, so that'll be nice. Can't wait to try that. And then, so that makes 4 of the products. And the last item, I guess, is this stuff. So, they say June Cosmetics. And it looks like it's just sheet mask, but it looks like there's a couple in each one. So I don't know what they are, but I mean, there's 3 here. One says a Awake Pure Sea Berry Brightening Mask, Calming Mask, and the other one says Avocado Nourishing Mask. And I have this set and then this set, which I think is exactly the same thing. So I don't know if it's like a 2-week thing where you're supposed to use them. I don't know. But that leaves me with a total of 6 masks on top of what I had already got. So that's a generous amount of items, actually, because that's 6 full masks. That's like I could do almost 1 a week. So that's kind of nice. And then everything else, that was kind of cool. So that was my Ipsy. And it was, like I said, only $25 a month. And you get all those items. Everything but the face mask, I think, is going to fit in here. So. And then all the face masks, which I got quite a bit of those. And that will be all for this video. Like I said, you can always comment, and subscribe down below. I also leave on links to every single box that I unbox, along with all my handles and everything, because I do other videos like gaming and stuff. So I hope that you have a great, fantastic day, and I heart your face, and I'll see you in the next video.